Hi, my name is Tammy. I'm a massage therapist in Northwest Wisconsin, and I have been using ClinicSense for almost a year. Compared to the one that I had before, ClinicSense service is incredible. It's very user-friendly, and I really enjoy the learning that they put out there for us, such as the email campaigns. It taught me how to do my own, and the holiday one this last holiday season was fabulous and very successful. I also really enjoy the customer service, which is a huge thing to me when I'm using a platform such as this, because if I have a question, I don't always have time or remember to go back and look to see, and I get responses immediately. They are fabulous. It's almost as if they know exactly what it is that I'm doing and what I need. So I find that they incorporate that into their platform. I really enjoy ClinicSense, and I will be continuing to use ClinicSense for a very long time. Thank you.